Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Durban City 0. I'm joined by Bito.
Thank you, Stibo.
Family. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, but I not go happy ka performance.
Yeah.
No. We Kenya pressure ka buena self. Dlala le team nyana mahogorone nyana. Why Chiefs is na respect? Re sa khone ro apela ona team respect aware or no. Kore team engwe leng e kenang mo rona whether e latile mo
ha re tsa
no to lata monna ke tshwere di bomb ke tshwere ntho tse kaofela ke tshwere di guns mara o fitla o nyathele se fika re I'm nothing
yeah
I get happy ke the way Chiefs by dlalang ka teng I happy yes nga thabela for win or at least bana ba ka ba bile le moment o thabela win but I'm not happy ka win here
yeah
go bona le ona no masapa ka o mme ntse ke jama pakania because of agree no mapakania ke bona ile ba disappointed fandag yeah because the result tsa mo bana ba itse ba raba tlo iphumula dikele di fandag so now dikele di tsa bona still di santsang di rota lona no because re entse dilo tsa ba west yeah o tlisisa so wish ya bona ya re dotina ka yona 30 points just like the yes it's fitile our change or dilo dia tla slowly by slowly
but
I'm not happy ka performance ya rona but slowly as long as re tla gona re kene ka mola ra ba bangwe re gone bona rena re etsa yang le new coach next season
Pirates tlo inga league
inga I could have said it before Pirates on league tlo inga league o etsa itseng jwang bona batho bao ba tlande ba tlo shebella Chiefs le Sundowns next season ke Chiefs e le re tla ba challenger league because bona ba tloleile 2 years ago ba ntse ba le busy ba ntse ba latela wa bona once ke kena top 8 shows your league ya no le nna ke tla ba ntse ke kena ko teng
next season
ya fela Christmas nyanya ya bona ya wina di cup nyana after 4 matches itlo fela ya ke yona ntse ba tletse o wina eo ke marathon a se ntho e le rene o wina fela ka di team nyana tse nyane tse ba o fang tsona tse o bo wina o re wena ko ena ayo ntho ya ba paletse go arena go majwaleni ke tsebe o rena or Amstel
why was Pirates why Chiefs Chiefs izoyiwina in league
Chiefs ye team yogcina ukuwina league la iSoweto iye team yogcina ukuwina league la iSoweto laba bayigcina ngoBenny McCarthy nangu seka inwele ezinhlophe bayahluleka namanje you understand
I know it's easy
mina ngizoyiwina next season ke ileague ya njalo wena uzoyizama uzogcina ku number 2 indaba yakho ayikho wena uflope yesterday nje ungawini nokuthuleka ukuthi Sundowns kuphele lapha phoswani namasipakani akuna league elizoyithatha thank you Stibo